In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reset games on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about resetting games on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started with the steps to reset your games on the PS5. Firstly, navigate to the top and access the settings. From there, head down to Save Data and Game App Settings. Here, select the appropriate option for your game and move to the right and choose Upload or Delete from Console Storage. If you're a PlayStation Plus member, consider uploading your save data to the cloud before deleting the game. This way, you can ensure a backup is available should any issues arise. Select the game you wish to upload and proceed with the upload. This saves the data in the cloud, allowing you to retrieve it at any time. To reset the game entirely, use the D-pad to navigate upwards, then go to the right and select Delete. Choose the specific game and confirm the deletion. This action will completely reset the progress of the game on your PlayStation. In the event of an error, or if you wish to restore the information back onto your PlayStation, head to the same section, but select Download or Delete from Cloud Storage. Here, find the game under Download to Console Storage and retrieve the information. Sometimes resolving issues with a specific game can be as simple as deleting its data and downloading it from the cloud. And that's how you reset games on your PlayStation 5. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching. For more helpful guides and tech-related content, visit mediamagnet.business.